Hello there guys, how you doing? So today we're going to be looking at how to convert your own system into Android TV OS. Now this video is part 2 because I've already explained to you guys what I need to do. So this is part 2, and what we need to do right now is just go on with the video, hoping that you guys can actually follow this. I'm sorry if I'm going to go fast for some people, but I'm going to try to do it as slow as possible. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to follow simple steps of how to do this. I'm not sure if you can see it through the green screen, but first we're gonna try to make an Android TV USB step by step. First we're gonna get the 8GB plus USB stick. Look at it, I got a pink one because I wanted to make this video. I made myself get a pink one. Alright, I know a lot of people are gonna say, why a pink one? All the other ones are, you know, when you get blue or green or white, they're expensive. Pink ones apparently not very highly enthusiastic people to get it. So I got this one, this USB I got it cheap. So first thing we need to do is go to Rufus and download Rufus. So I'm going to open Google Chrome, put Rufus.ie, there we go. Consent, just download Rufus. This is apparently the latest one. Next step, download the Android TV ISO. Now this is where it becomes a little bit complicated for a lot of people. Copy, I'm going to go to Google Chrome again. Never know what website. Okay. Blah blah blah. Set Android TV activity, and you can see I already started downloading. So I'm waiting for it to download. It looks like it's actually very big. It's 2.2 gigabyte. Downloading. 9 hours left, 7 hours left. What the hell? That's over. You know what? That was taking way too long. Way too long. Okay, I'm gonna just use. You don't have to use this. You can download it slowly. You don't have to. I'm gonna try this way. See if that works. Okay, download has now started at 10 minutes. Thank you, Real Debris. It's paid service, but it's worth it. If you download 2 gigabytes worth of information in 10 minutes, beautifully worth it. Okay, I'm gonna put the link for Real the Bread in video description so you guys can have it. Now I have no idea if you guys want to have it for, you know, for use for this or something else. It's up to you. So I've got 2 minutes left. I'm almost there, dude. It's finished. I can't believe it happened. That was really cool. Okay, going back to my instructions. Step 3. Open Rufus, select the USB. Okay, let's go to this. The USB is selected. I believe that is the right USB. Let me see. You're gonna have to click on select for the ISO. Okay. This is the one that we just downloaded. Now click select, choose ISO file, click select, choose ISO, click start, wait until ready. Alright, there we go. It is doing it now. Partitioning the F drive, which is the USB stick. This is actually interesting. This is all what's happening right now. Partitioning, okay. It's interesting because it is a 2.2 gigabyte ISO file. And it is Android TV OS. It does take a little bit of time. I'm gonna wait for it. You can see that it's writing on the left. So on the right it says copying ISO files. On the left it says boot disk bin readme and auto run thing. So I'm gonna see what's gonna happen on that. Okay. So it seems to be doing it, which is really cool. I'm gonna go with you guys step by step. Hopefully You guys can see that how this is happening. There's more stuff on the F disk happening. This is great. It looks like it's copying all the files properly. 32% right now. It isn't very fast. It is a very slow paced process. Look, it's 58% right now. 60% now done. So what we're gonna need to do is just give it time. Do not rush it. Let it happen by itself. Okay, we're almost there. It says 96% done. So it's doing the whole USB. 2.2 gigabyte. Done. There you go. It's done. 2.2 gigabyte ISO file transferred. Your USB is now complete. I'm gonna go test it out now. If this works, that means this part of the test has completed. Okay, so this is it. It's just started on the USB. Install option, advanced option, Android TV Live. I'm gonna click on Android TV Live. Let's see if that works. Okay, here we go. So I clicked it. Experience Android TV. Okay. Well, it's looking good. This thing is taking a bit of time. I'm not sure if it's stopped or what's going on. I'm gonna give it a couple of minutes. Okay, I had to restart the computer, but there it is. I restarted the computer and done it again. It's now jumping up and down. Yay! Android TV. Okay, well, I don't know if that is working or not. I'm waiting for it to be happening. Okay, let's see what it does. Oh, Android TV. I saw it. Android TV. Yes, baby. Okay. English United States. There we go. Okay, let's go to the right one. Okay, we're just gonna follow the steps. Give me a second. Holy crap! I've got everything I need. Okay, here we go. An operating system that is Android OS. I've got it all worked out now. Great. Okay, and there we go. We've done it. How to make an Android TV USB step by step. There you go. This is it. I've done it on this USB stick, the pink USB stick. Okay, I've done it. I've downloaded Rufus. I've downloaded the Android TV ISO. I've put that link there. You can type it in yourself. Open Rufus and select the USB. Then click, select, choose the ISO, and click start. Wait until it's ready, and you can boot up to Android TV OS. Now, this I've done it on my own system, but you can see now that I've done it on USB, you can actually use this USB to format your old laptop to have Android TV OS. That's a different process altogether, but let's be honest, it's not that hard. For now, this step is completed. This video is finished. I'm gonna do another part for this, how to install application, games, and so on, and it makes your entire system better. But keep a lookout for more videos about this. Click like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one, guys.